every so often you got to do a burnout just to kind of level things out. You know what I'm saying? That's all I'm saying. I'm not saying you have to do it all the time, but you got to do it some of the time. You got to level it out. Take care of yourself. It's ReekG. I'm out of here. Peace. Yo, so I got new tires in. Possibly see them out there. About to put my new tires on. So that's where I'm at with it. All right? So tune in. This is what your tire looks like on the inside if you use that slime. So that was temporary just to get me home. But anyway, here's the new tires right here. Got them laid out just to warm up. Other than that, let me keep working so I can get it together. Okay, I'm gonna make this really quick because I am super tired. I finished changing the tires. As you can see, I have my new ones on. Here's the front. New tire in the front. And new tire in the back. Here's the old tires. As you can see, it had the fix-a-flat in it. You can see the tread on it is pretty much worn. And this is the front tire. So that's about it. Just wanted to let you know that I finished. You see my hands all grimy and stuff. I gotta go and clean up. So now I'm gonna clean up. I'm super tired. I'm about to drink me a cold beer, call it a night. So there she is, she's ready. I will break the tires in tomorrow morning. All right, so take care.